everybody, and welcome to Module 2, Lesson 8. This is using kilograms and grams in one-step word problems. So basically, this is all a review of word problems. So Lindsay wants to ride the roller coaster. The minimum weight to ride is 32 kilograms. She weighs 14 kilograms less than the required weight. How many kilograms does Lindsay weigh? So we're going to treat this as a redraw right problem. So one of the things we're going to do here is we're going to go back and read it. So Lindsay wants to ride the roller coaster. The minimum weight to ride is 32 kilograms. So we're going to need to know how much you would need to weigh. So you need to weigh 32 kilograms to ride. She weighs 14 kilograms less than the required weight. How many kilograms does Lindsay weigh? So what we're going to do here is we're going to take our two numbers and we're going to figure out the difference between them, because she weighs less than the required weight and we want to know how much she weighs. So we're not looking for a total here. We're looking for the difference between the two. So we're going to take 32. That's the total amount you need to weigh to ride the roller coaster. I'm going to put a kg next to it, reminding me that we're doing measurement. And when you're doing measurement, you need to have a label. So we have 32 kilograms. She weighs 14 kilograms less. So she weighs less. So luckily they're both kilograms. So if we have 32 and 14, we're going to do some subtraction. So just a review on how you subtract when you are in a situation where your ones column isn't big enough to subtract. So what you're going to do here is you're going to take this 2 and you're going to cross it out, because you can't take away 4 if you have 2. You need something you need to have something bigger. So we're going to borrow, yes, I use that word borrow, from our next group. This is actually not 3, this is actually 30. So when we cross out that 3, we're going to take a group of 10 over to that 2. So we're going to do, the 2 is still there, but we're adding this group. We're going to cross out that 30, basically. We're adding a group of 10 to it. So then that makes it 12. But we have to come back here and make sure with this 3, we took a group of 10 away. So we have 20 left in that group. We don't want to forget to do those 2 steps, because otherwise it'll make our, it'll be really hard to do our math. So if we have this, then we can go ahead and do our subtraction. It's really important in math to stay as neat as possible when you're doing your subtraction. I'm not going to do the math for this. I want you to tell me with a label, how many kilograms does Lindsay weigh? Now, one of the things that, I'm having some technical difficulties while I'm trying to do this, we've learned over this math lesson is that you got to read everything around the year. You got to read everything, and it helps to draw a picture or write it out too. Make sure you're picking out the correct information. So this basically was kind of a review of word problems and how to answer them. I know it kind of seems silly, but again, this is something that we put down in we switched this module to a different unit, so that's why it seems like a little simple, and it's a good review for this time of year. So please comment below on what Lindsay weighs.